Hey, welcome back to the show. My name is David Elliott from Pearl Nano and Calling All Detailers. Today we're talking about how to get great POV footage, hands-free. You're able to work on the car, get great video before, during, and after. And I want to tell you about an awesome tool that I came across thanks to Austin Lewis, the Austin Lewis on TikTok. It's the META Rayban Glasses. These things are awesome. I got a pair right here. This is the case it comes in. It has a little charging port right there. And these things are pretty amazing. These are transition sunglasses, but you can do video. You can take video hands-free. You can take a picture. And you can also talk to it, and it has AI built in. You can also listen to music from your phone and take phone calls. They have speakers right here by your ear, microphone right here by the nose, and multiple microphones, multiple speakers. I can take a picture just by pushing a button right here. All right, I just took a picture. If I push the button here, hold it, and now I'm taking video. You'll see the little light on there. It shows people that you're videoing them. It's a little privacy thing. You can't cover it up. If you cover it up, the video stops recording. But anyways, back to how you shoot good POV footage without strapping an iPhone to your forehead. This is it right here. They're a little expensive. They're about $300 to $400. But I tell you what, they're comfortable, and they have tons of technology, and it has AI built in. You can say, hey Meta, what direction am I going? And Meta will tell you. Or, hey Meta, what am I looking at? And it will tell you the Eiffel Tower. And then you could say, okay, within 6 seconds you can ask it another question. And that would be, tell me about the Eiffel Tower. Anyways, it just did 60 seconds worth of video. You can extend it to 3 minutes. But these things are pretty cool. I'm gonna play a video right now of Austin Lewis opening up his sample pack and trying all the different products. He's the one that showed me this awesome product, and he uses it every day when he does POV videos in his business. So we're gonna have that going right now.
Detail this Lexus.
Okay, what did you think about that? He just puts on the glasses, turns it on, and shoots video in the same way that he's looking at whatever he's looking at. If you turn your head, you're gonna look over there. The only thing I've found that is a little weird is the camera's over here. So if you're centered on something, you maybe want to move your head to the left, to the right a little bit, so the camera is in the middle of whatever you're shooting. So now you can foam the car, you can do the wheels, you can do the ceramic coatings, you can do everything, and you don't have to hold the camera or put it on a tripod or strap it to your forehead. You just wear the glasses, and it streams it to your phone. And then, if you back up your videos and pictures on the cloud, you just access it either through your phone or through the cloud. So let me know in the comments what you think about these Rayban META glasses for POV video taking and picture taking. I'd like to know what you think about it, and maybe you've already tried them out and you already have a pair. I want to know what you think about them. So again, my name is Dave from Pearl Nano and Calling All Detailers. This is a video about the Pearl Nano, not the Pearl Nano, the META Rayban POV glasses, video camera, AI in your ear with speakers, headphones, and a whole bunch of other things. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later on the next video.